Kenyan safari is a bucket list experience, but it's a serious undertaking that should be approached with care and caution. If you're planning to visit Kenya and its untamed landscapes, be sure to keep the following safari tips in mind. Know before you go. 1. Don't leave the vehicle. While that sleeping lion might seem yards and yards away, don't attempt to get a good close-up. You would be risking your life. Maintaining the distance may be the only thing that prevents you from becoming a snack on the savanna. 2. Don't shoot unless it's with a camera. No magnificent creature should be fodder for trophy hunters. Sport hunting was banned in Kenya back in 1977, but wealthy tourists sometimes get around the red tape. Don't be that douchebag. Photo safaris are the way to go. 3. Don't forget the meds. All Kenyan game parks are in the malaria zone. Medications are not 100% effective, so you should use insect repellent and sleep under nets for a mosquito-free setting. Don't take chances with mosquitoes. No animal kills more humans than this tiny buzzing beast. 4. Don't visit Garissa County. Kenya has gotten ugly recently. Atrocities aren't necessarily directed at safari tourists, but nobody wants to get caught in the crossfire. Do your research before booking a trip to the hot zones. 5. Don't Facebook. Selfies and wild animals do not mix. You don't really want to spend your safari adventure staring at a cell phone screen, do you? Be present for every wondrous moment. 6. Don't smoke in public. Since 2008, you're not legally permitted to smoke in restaurants, shopping malls, theatres, hotel lobbies and grounds, even in rural lodges. You can be fined 50,000 to 3 million Kenya shillings or face 6 months to 3 years imprisonment. 7. Don't offend the locals. You can expect to encounter customs and practices that are completely foreign to you. Do your best not to grimace or complain to the locals about their customs, lifestyle, or the foods they eat. Open your mind to cultural differences. 8. Don't litter. Don't toss your used Kleenex out of the car window. The wilderness tends to be a sacred place for your guides, so don't offend them. Be respectful and always bring your litter back to camp with you to dispose of it appropriately. 9. Don't throw food to the animals. You should not offer food to any animals. It's not good for any of the animals on the safari to learn to equate food with humans. Even though you just want to be friendly and connect with them, keep your food to yourself. 10. Don't take the experience for granted. By maintaining your sense of awe, you'll get more out of your vacation, becoming one of the most amazing travel experiences of your lifetime. While you might be sweaty and miss the comforts of home, don't lose your sense of wonder while traveling in Kenya. Where do you want to know what not to do in next? Comment below.